Hello guys, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'll make a little bit different videos. I don't think that I can show you guys all the paper airplanes that I designed throughout the years, but most of them, or half of them. Okay, so let's start with this one first. This is a very recent design that I make, the J20, one of very good jet fighter, and it actually can fly. So let me put this on the side and show you another recent design. This one fly very well too, but I don't have time to share with you guys, so just show the tutorial with you guys. So just show you how it looks like, and more intense. Of course, I think you guys want to see this. Okay, this one I have more design on this. Let me take this away. Okay, let me try to turn this way so I hit the camera. That's not good, so let me put this back here. Okay, alright guys, so alright, it's okay. Let me fix the camera a little bit. There we go. So this is a collection of paper airplanes that I make. So if you already know I'll show you the one that is very familiar with you guys. So you know the what is it called, the JAS 39. So I think the J20 is very close to this one. JAS 39 is my favorite one. So very awesome. Okay, so you can take a look at this. I have more to show you guys, but don't know if I can share with you guys all today. JAS 39, so I put it back here. Okay, so on this side I have a collection of all jet fighter like this. I think this is an older version of the JAS 39, but anyways, still look very cool. Okay, so it's different version. Okay, this is an older version of the JAS 39. I forgot the name. I think JAS 25 something. Alright, so I put it back. It's been here for years, guys, so I have more here. What is it? You already know about the Aurora. This is a very concept plan. I just designed it, by the way. So just not just design, I designed it just because I like it, by the way, even though it's not real. So it should look better, but after years putting this in the box, it doesn't look so nice anymore. Alright, so let me share with you guys another one. Let me put it back before I don't remember where it should be. Okay, I don't know. Okay, let's put this one back. Let me see what else do I have here. A tons of paper plan. These are planes that can actually fly, guys, like except this one can't fly. It's an older version of the I think SR 39 something, forgot the name, guys. So many paper airplanes. So take a look at this. If I remember correctly, this one can actually fly. Okay, so it's this is too complicated to make a video, so I decided just keep it for myself. They have two stabilizers, a body here, okay, and they're very like awkward wings. It's these reverse wings, so I put it back here. Not sure if it can fly, can't remember. I make it like for years ago. And take a look at this. This is another version. Oh wow, if I remember correctly, this one can fly. Okay, this based on a concept. Alright, so let's show you another one. Wow, this one is kind of tricky, so I have to use a tab, but actually you don't need tab. Tab is just there because I want to keep it nice. So this is another blend that I really love. It does fly, and in fact it's fly very well. I can tell it's fly very well. So let me put this one back here. It's supposed to be inside. Okay, that's how it should look like. All right, let me see what else I can share with you all. I think this is the F15. Yep, that's the F15. F15, and I'll put it back since you already know this. Alright, so the video is quite a bit long, and this is T50. okay, you guys keep asking me about the T50 one. The T50 now is, I think this is Su 45 something, so this is the Su 45 one. It took me a long time to come up with the design, and it's fly, oh my gosh, very well. Okay, so I put it back, just adjust it. Okay, stabilizers, hard to put it back. See, and I keep it like this for years. Okay, let me forward back. F35, so F35 here, they need to take it out. Make 25. Guess what is it? F14 Tomcat. This is the one of the version of the F14 Tomcat. This looks awesome. And this is F15. This is the real F15, another version of the F15. Okay. F22, I think I put it somewhere else. So I don't have enough space, so I put it somewhere else. So let me put these paper airplanes back. These are jet fighters. Or jet fighters. Not sure how many are there already. Okay, let me put this nicely, otherwise I don't have enough space to close this. I have another box like this with different type of designs, but I'll just show you here. I don't think you ever seen this design because I have never published it. This is another version of the Spirit Dragon. Fly very well, surprisingly. So I put this back. Oh yeah, this is the most best long distance plane. So the shape is very traditional, but it's fly very far. So the best so far. I just didn't create the tutorials. Okay. Look at this. I believe many of you remember this one. Guess what plane is this? SR-71, right? This is an old version of the SR-71. 72, actually this is the SR-72, not SR-71. I was trying to make the SR-71, but this wasn't successful, so I come up with this one. It flies, actually it's fly very well. This SR72 is somewhere here, and it does fly. Don't remember where I put it. Let's see. This is F16. Well, F16 I need to improve it more, guys. So even here, and this distant tree. So this is another distant plane. Look at this. I don't think you ever seen this plane before, because I didn't publish the tutorial. It's been here like for many years. So look at this. Look at this, guys. So alright, so I think if I show you every single plane, it will take forever. I'll just skip it and show you some of the design on the next category. So we're done with long distance jet fighter. Yeah, just print it up again. This is a very well-known plans already. This is the secret bomber, so it got beaten up a lot. Alright, so another category is not jet fighter but bomber plane. Okay, this is the F-117. so look at this. It does fly, and this actually fly very well. If you look on my channel, there's a tutorial for this plane recently published. Oh well, another one. Not remember what it's called, but pretty cool. Alright, yeah, not sure if I make a tutorial for this plane already, so don't remember the name either. I forgot to name it. Just make it for fun or something. There you go. So I've just put it back. Let me show you another one. Okay, other plane you may like even more. Let me fold the wings down. It's been years. This one I think it's just not too unique. Just have it for fun. And this does fly. Not very far, but does fly. Okay, so there are more coming out, but I'll just skip these. There are so many here, and just show you a few more designs. So in case you're curious about this section is like plane that has a weird look. The goal is to make a weird looking paper planes that can fly. So this is one of those. Very even plane. This is not too difficult but different bit. This is the mod. If you have not seen it, this is the mod. How about the mod? It's fly very fast, but look at this. This is like what I designed. This is the bird that I like. It does fly, but it's hard to control. I didn't make a tutorial for this bird already. Another one, boomerang things, unique design. And if you have not seen this one, I just printed up. So this is how it looks like. There's a weird stabilizer on the top. So this will be like this. And just fly okay. Alright, so I think we are good with this section. If I show you more, it will take forever, so just skip these. How about this section? Some of the plans that I made a long time ago with a pointy head. This is like a dinosaur. When I try to accomplish dinosaur designs a long time ago. So another one, very traditional look one. This one does fly, and it's fly pretty far as well. I think I created a tutorial for this plane already. Can't remember the name of it. Alright, it's getting kind of bored now, right? It's kind of boring. If you're interested in more paper plane, I'll show you another one. This one I created long time ago, and look at this stabilizer. let me see what name is it. Can't remember the name of the plant. So just a new style paper plant, new style plant. I think this is similar to the F35. Alright, how about UFO? This is one version of the UFO that's fly. Another version of the UFO. This is another version of the UFO that is folded with origami paper. Fold. And oh, wow, this is not my design, but it's look really cool, so I keep it. I have an exchange paper plan with the guys from during a flying contest. So I think like 5 years, 6 years ago. So I just keep it. It's not my design. Alright, so guys, so I'll just show you the last section of the long distance paper plan. This is a super plan. I standardize the plan and create tutorials. I think you guys remember this one. I'll just show you quickly and we'll wrap up today. If you want to see more paper airplanes, let me know. I will show you more tutorial. So this is a design that I make based on the super plane, and this is how it looks like, and it's like very far. It's got beaten up a lot here, you can see that. Alright, so that is all for today, and tomorrow on the next video I'll show you even more paper airplanes like this one. For an example, this has a very unique look. I just designed it for fun, but I think it looks so nice, so just keep it. Alright, so thank you for watching the videos. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do want to see more paper airplanes, let me know. I will show you more of my designs and some of the collection that I keep for myself. Thank you for watching and see you next time.